TikTok, first steps to success. What TikTok is? During the summer of 2018, a new app appeared in the social media landscape. When you open it, you can find funny videos, set with unusual effects and audio created by users. This new app resembles for most people to Vine, the app that featured short videos that Twitter shut down in 2017. As soon as you enter the app, everything feels randomized, in a comforting way. The succession of strange videos doesn't seem to follow an algorithm, but it is very entertaining, and even though the videos are less than a minute long in average, it seems that you can spend hours watching them. The app is TikTok. Is TikTok more than a random collection of funny videos with copyrighted audio? TikTok, the application from ByteDance, a Chinese technology firm, is a social network which main feature is the ability to record, edit, and upload short videos enhanced with augmented reality, AR, capabilities, with the ability to add background audio from its hybrid library, user-sourced and corporate. A year before TikTok's launch, ByteDance bought the ownership rights of the Musical.ly app and then converted it in what TikTok is today. With over 500 million active users per month, the app is a mix of two apps which were groundbreaking back when they were launched, Vine and Musical.ly. Prior to TikTok formally appearing, Musical.ly possessed virtually the same interface. The app featured the ability to perform lip sync and do collaborations with friends in it. When you log into TikTok, you will enter a video timeline, similar to the one displayed in Musical.ly, with a broader variety of video themes, from montages and memes to choreography full of AR, augmented reality filters. But always random, which is one of the most outstanding features of this network. How does TikTok work? There is indeed no rocket science behind the operation of this application, but some things can help you understand it a little more. For starters, you don't need to register if you just want to watch a few videos. But if you're going to publish, follow or give like to another user, you will need to open an account. You can do this by signing in with a social networking account, Facebook, Twitter, or Google account, or by registering with an email or your cell phone number. Once you've done that, there's nothing left to do but start exploring. It's easy to do, but it's easy to understand if you follow the steps below. 1. Open the application and tap the plus sign tab in the middle. 2. Tap the icons surrounding the main recording interface. These will allow you to add audio and visual effects. 3. Set a time at the bottom to choose how long your video will last. 4. Start recording in one go or in sections. 5. Once you recorded your raw footage, adjust your text, stickers, effects, or music. 6. Tap Next. In the following screen, you can adjust your publication settings. 7. Adjust the comment and privacy settings by touching the buttons for each of the options below the video description window. 8. Publish. Getting a pro account. If you ever wonder about how to understand younger generations, seek for advice at TikTok, because TikTok understands today's youth to a T. It might be too fast-paced and overwhelming for some, but younger audiences thrive on it. It's no coincidence that 40% of TikTok user base is on the 16 to 24 age gap. This curious social network is a phenomenon among young people. However, it has not generated the same hype in mature social network consumers. The reason for that is rather straightforward. It's because of TikTok's intentional design. TikTok's popularity within the youth is explainable by stating that TikTok's creators aimed from the very beginning at the under 18 demographic sector. In a manner of speaking, it's safe to say that TikTok developers took the time to understand the teenage sector better than competing apps. Having a clear target from the get-go, they have followed the behavior of this age group closely, leading them to develop a social environment that can give teenagers and young adults precisely what they want. TikTok is a space in which users can create and share fun videos, featuring them lip-syncing, singing or dancing to an incredible variety of songs. It enables younger audiences to express themselves creatively, whether they are doing some kind of comedy or performing art. It is an amicable and easy-to-use social network. So it's not surprising that more people are joining it every day. That's why, by now, millions of celebrities have already created their TikTok accounts. Even the renowned Jimmy Fallon has previously recorded more than one viral video and also danced the famous and viral #Renegade challenge together with the young TikToker Charli D'Amelio, known for being the girl with more followers on the network, with only 16 years old. TikTok is not going to disappear for a long time. Although companies like Facebook have tried to recreate the app, they haven't come close to doing so. Like every social network that takes off and positions itself, TikTok has also decided to offer us what they call a pro account, with special tools for content creators. This account is very similar to the professional creator and business accounts provided by Instagram. It offers you the possibility to receive your account statistics and build your strategies on them. At the moment, TikTok Pro provides us with our account statistics. We can have and manage up to 3 different accounts. If your goal is to be part of this fantastic viral phenomenon called TikTok, then you should create a pro account to be able to access the statistics. These are the steps you must follow. Open your TikTok application. Go to the button that takes you to your profile. Then, click on the three dots at the top of your screen. When the drop-down menu opens, select the Manage Account option. At the bottom, you'll find the Switch Your Account to Pro option. Being Pro, you will have tools available such as statistics. Select the category you wish to belong to. Include a phone number or email. You will then receive a message by SMS with a 4-digit code. You include it in your account, and you have a TikTok Pro account. Once you follow these steps, you will start to see your account statistics. Use them properly. With TikTok, you have a significant advantage compared to other social networks. As a network that is still emerging and growing, you can take advantage of the statistics and go far. Videos you should create. If you're interested in joining TikTok for personal or work-related reasons, it can always be useful, and very entertaining, to see the posts others have made, and thus inspire you. Even as in all social networks, there is content for everyone, but some highlight much more. In variety is taste, find your niche, and an audience to target and then create content for them. TikTok stands out for the ease with which videos can be created. Not all of them are incredibly complex to edit, some are even easier than you think. But which are those formats that stand out? In TikTok, some differences are strongly noticeable. Music videos or montages. On any given day, you can watch many musical montages or mini musical videos on the platform. Although many people generally prefer to do lip sync, you may find others who are more creative. For example, a trend that younger users love is creating stories in #POV mode using a song. As the song plays, the story unfolds, while what happens relates to the lyrics perfectly. Physical comedy and memes. Most of the posts you'll see on TikTok are intended to provoke reactions, i.e., a great shower of comments and likes. Laughter is usually excellent for that. Although you will find some simple and funny videos, you will also see some others that are more elaborate and well-planned posts with short narratives. Besides, you will find funny videos with a very specific format, all around a set reference or punchline. These are memes, which have the advantage of being adaptable to almost any situation as long as their core template is respected. This template is usually a particular audio with a timed reaction or predictable ending as a punchline. Videos with special effects. Some make use of TikTok filters, and others have become transition wizards. Recently, a stream of TikTokers called transitioners has been derived, and they are showing off their creative skills to create a video with lots of transitions that will appeal to audiences. Others even create even more elaborate videos with more professional kinematics that they decide to create outside of TikTok but share there and, of course, are loved by the users. Duets. Duets are perhaps the most comfortable option to use on the platform. With it, you can respond to a musical post by recording your video with the same music. You can generate a response video or a reaction video. Or even be more creative. There are no limits to creativity in TikTok. Challenge videos. On TikTok, you can also see regularly announced challenges with hashtags. These videos aim to motivate you to record yourself doing something weird to join the challenge. You can usually find them at the bottom of the home screen, right under the magnifying glass, where you'll find the hash with the most popular challenges of the moment. Tutorials. As in other social networks, many people want to learn how to do things, so making tutorials of what you can do can be very useful. Every day more and more people share tutorials about face masks, makeup, food, etc. The secret is to do something creatively and with your personal touch.